Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the Science Kitchen. We're going to be making chocolate fondant. So the secret to a great chocolate fondant is having that oozing, running chocolate center. And I'm going to show you a little kitchen hack to get that running chocolate center perfect every single time. Now that secret is to make a chocolate ganache first. Okay, so ganache is super simple. We're going to take some boiling cream straight into some chopped dark chocolate. So after leaving to settle for 3 minutes, stir this all through. So with our ganache made, let's get it straight into the fridge. Ganache resting in the fridge, we're going to move on to our fondant batter. Some dark chocolate and butter just melting over a bain-marie or a bowl over a pot of hot water. We've got some caster sugar, which we're going to add a whole egg yolk. I'll whip this up. Chocolate and butter mixture. So to our chocolate mixture, we're just going to add a drop of vanilla, pinch of salt, so that's going to cut through some of that richness. Just give an extra bitter edge, small amount of coffee, straight into. And to this mixture, we're going to fold in some cocoa powder and plain flour. Gently mix this in. I'm going to try and keep as much air into the batter as possible. Okay, so we've got a couple of molds which we've buttered and dusted with some cocoa powder. So to this, we'll add first level. So on our ganache, we've shaped into some spheres. Place those right in the center. Cover these over. And let's get these straight in the oven.